Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn alphabet and numbers. Let's trace and paint them together.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down,
1,
falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Build it up
2,
with sticks and stones, sticks and stones, sticks and stones. Build it up with sticks and stones,
3,
my fair lady.
4,
'Sticks and stones will all fall down,
5,
all fall down, all fall down. Sticks and stones will all fall down, my fair lady. Build it up with wood
A,
and clay, wood and clay, wood and clay. Build it up with wood and clay, my fair lady.
B, C,
Wood and clay will wash away, wash away, wash away. Wood and clay
D,
will wash away, my fair lady. Build it up with iron and steel, iron and
E.
steel, iron and steel.
Let's learn some color
Build
names.
it up with
Red
iron
color,
and steel, my
orange color,
fair lady.
yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color.
Iron and steel will bend and bow, bend and bow, bend and
1.
bow.
One baby
Iron and
arrives.
steel will bend and bow, my fair lady. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
2. Two tiny hands hold. Three. Three sweet kisses given.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain.
4. Four cozy blankets wrap.
Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Five. Five flowers bloom.
The itsy bitsy spider went up
A is for airplane. It flies in the sky.
Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
B is for baby. Sometimes it may cry.
The itsy bitsy spider
C is for clock. It tells you the time.
down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy
D is for diamond. See how it shines.
out again.
E is for elephant. Bigger than me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C, D, E. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.